Hi, GamerHash here. Today we're going to show you how to add the GamerHash application to the list of exceptions in Windows Defender. There are only 5 easy steps. Let's go through them together. Step 1. Copy the GamerHash folder path. Step 2. Go to Computer Settings and click on Update and Security. Now Step 3. Go to Windows Security and click on the Virus and Threat Protection button. Then Step 4. Find Virus and Threat Protection settings and click on the button that allows managing them. In there, you'll find the exclusions. Click on the option below them that lets you add or remove already existing exclusions. Step 5. Add an exclusion and pick the option that allows you to add folders. Next, use the folder that you've copied in the beginning and there you go! You've successfully added the GamerHash app to the list of exceptions. Give this video a thumbs up if you found this guide useful and subscribe to our YouTube channel.